we're at Mount Princeton here in Colorado, just outside of Gunnison. We're about to go on this pretty gnarly trail to the summit. For all of you that are subscribed, if you are not subscribed, I'm Stephanie. The guy getting the Honda ready is Trey. This is our channel, Pursue You.
It's like a moderate 4x4 trail. It's about 10.5 miles long and reaches just over 12,000 feet in elevation. We're gonna take the Honda, of course. I believe you can drive that 10.5 miles and then hike another 5 miles to get to the actual summit. Is that what they call it, babe? Summit? Yeah, so you hike, I think you have to hike the rest to get to the summit. It's kind of early, it's kind of chilly. We're like layering up. So if you're new to the channel, this is our 2020 Honda Talon 1000 X4. Had it for a little over a year now, and we've sent it through some shit. So it's bone stock, it's only on 32-inch tall tires. I have 2 different sets of tires, and it's got an O'Reilly's muffler on it. So
it's been doing great so far. If you haven't yet, checking out our videos from Arizona and Utah, and it's been doing great.
Yeah. Like a old rock cabin up here. I really don't know how to explain it. Is it still a cabin if it's made out of rock? Stephanie's up there on her phone. So I'm just here with you guys. Yeah. Yeah, we could have stayed up here last night, had a little fire. I didn't know this was up here. There's all kinds of stuff up here to cook with. Yeah, this is wild. Whoever it is from South Carolina. They got North Carolina cups over there. They keep it stocked with some drinks and stuff for you. Yeah.
This is what's up.
Yeah, this is cool.
I think it still probably would have been pretty cold up here.
Oh yeah. We would have had that fire rolling. Like a fireplace. I feel like this is somebody's house. Use but don't abuse. It's a chalet. Well, if I would have known that, I would have came up here and had like a little fire last night and just stayed here. Look at this view. There's a rule book over here on the door.
Try to switch this and clean up.
Yeah. In memory of Walter Beams. June 11, 1946 to May 9th, 1965. This is unbelievable. Look how pretty these rocks are. They all sparkle. This thing's barely holding on. It's got duct tape and bungee cords around it.
Okay, so we were about to hike this mountain behind us, which is Mount Princeton. However, we ran into a local and she recommended visiting Mount Antero and Mount Elmo, which is just a little further south than where we are now. Mount Antero is known for some of their gemstones like aquamarine and rubies.
So we're back down to the bottom. We loaded up the town. We're going to head over to Alpine, Colorado to do another trail. It's about 20 minutes away. I wasn't going to load up the town. I thought we could drive there, but we're unsure of the laws here in Colorado about driving side by sides on the road. So
it's illegal.
Quick trip down the road, about 20 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. And this is what we start out with.
It's gonna be a good time! You guys, we made it to the top of Mount Antero. Antero. It is freezing. There is snow.
There's snow up here.
But the views are incredible. You have 360 views of nothing but mountains. Hey, first snowball of the year.
Right here. Thrown from the highest point you could possibly throw a snowball, I feel like. This is insane.
So look at these views, they're absolutely gorgeous.
So guys, typically in like a situation like this, we'd put the drone up, but I feel like it's pointless. There's people up there. I don't think we're prepared for that. So we're gonna hang out here and then make our trip back down because it is absolutely freezing. Alright, that's the end of the video. If you made it this far, please do us a favor. Hit that like button. It helps. Seriously. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you guys think. The trail, I think, was pretty freaking easy, honestly. There was a couple bone stock Jeeps going up it with no problem. And the view is definitely worth going to the top for. So, you want to say something?
Nah, not really.
Okay.
We appreciate everybody for watching. Thank you to everyone who's already subscribed. We love your guys' support, and we hope to gain more. So we're on to our next adventure in Colorado. I believe we're heading up north, so stay tuned.
Yep. Thank you all for watching. Love you guys. Be sweet.